Presenting, elegant COMBI-MASSAGE bathtub. It is 6 feet in length and 3 feet in width, and comes with a front panel and stand, making the bathtub portable and installation a simple plug and play. This bathtub is available in 10 different colors. Its beautifully carved curves bring out the best of your bathroom. Elegant bathtub comes with whirlpool massage, back massage, bubble bath and filler set. It includes a whirlpool massage system powered by a 1.5 HP motor. This jacuzzi massage thrusts out a mixture of air and water to give your body a soothing yet powerful massage. It has 6 hydro jets, 3 on each side, controlled by a pressure regulator and a pneumatic switch. There are 6 nozzles for back and foot massage, also powered by the whirlpool motor. It also comes with a bubble bath powered with 1 HP motor and 10 air jets at the bottom. Bubble bath induces more air into your bathing water and is controlled by a separate pneumatic switch. Also included is a cascade filler to fill the bathtub, a diverter to control the flow of water, a mixture to control the flow of hot and cold water, and an adjustable multi-flow hand shower. All Madonna bathtubs come with a 3-year manufacturing warranty and an award-winning after-sales service anywhere in India.